Hey, what is going on, you guys? Tech right here. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the 4K Fire Stick. This one also comes with the Alexa voice command. Let's get straight into the video. As you guys can see right here in the box, it just shows you what is needed to use this device and also what's included inside of the box. To actually get the most out of this device, you guys should use a 4K HD TV. I'm spinning the box around because I'm trying to let you guys see what's around the box and also what it says. Anyways, with that out of the way, let's get straight into the unboxing. I've seen this device on the internet and it looks pretty good, pretty satisfying. But also, I just had a couple questions, so I knew I had to make my own video to answer the questions for you guys. So the first thing you guys will see once you guys open the box, you guys will have two menus right there, one for the Fire Stick and one for the controller, and this will tell you guys how to set it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and skim through it so you guys can see what it looks like. After this review, don't forget to leave your comments down below and let me know what you guys think. If you had any questions, I can answer them for you. Anyways, besides that, let me show you guys the rest of the box. So once you guys have opened the box, you guys will see this cable right here. It's a USB cable which goes from the Fire Stick and it also plugs into your TV. One thing I like about this cable is how premium it feels. It has a matte finish and it feels really great overall. Now this box also includes a power adapter which is used for the back of the TV. Some new TVs have a new AMP USB cable behind it right next to the HDMI port, and this is where this goes. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this plastic covering it and let you guys see what it looks like. Now this right here, HDMI 4K extender, actually helps the Fire Stick itself a lot. So as you guys can see right here, this goes into the TV, and then the back, that's where the Fire Stick goes into. Now another thing you guys get right here in the box is two batteries for the Alexa remote. Alright, now let's move on to the things we actually came for. Alright, now this right here is actually the Fire Stick itself, which streams a lot of stuff in 4K. I'm going to go ahead and remove this plastic and show you guys what it looks like. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, this Fire Stick plugs into the HDMI 4K extender that I showed earlier. After they're both connected together, you plug it into the TV. So in my opinion, I'm really liking how everything was set up and how it was made. So far, I've been liking how the stuff has been made, the products, and also just overall in general, the material they're putting into them. And now, so as you guys can see right here, that's the USB connector. That's where the USB plug-in that I showed you guys earlier goes into. After they're both together, now you plug it into the TV. Now let's go ahead and move into the remote. One thing I really like about this remote is that it also includes the Alexa voice commands. Both of these things are really light and they're not heavy at all, which is maybe something that some people like and some people don't. So now these two menus that you guys see on screen, this one belongs to the Fire Stick and then the other one belongs to the controller. Now the reason I do this is to show you guys which one belongs to who, so you guys are not confused when you guys are setting these things up. Anyways, besides that, I'm gonna go ahead and open the controller and show you guys what it looks like. So the controller itself is made out of a matte finish, and the button on the middle of the controller is made out of a glossy plastic. So as you guys can see right here, the controller looks pretty easy to navigate. The reason I say this is because the controller does not have that many buttons, and it just makes it easy to use overall. Overall, I really like how everything is made. Now to go ahead and use the Alexa feature, all you guys have to do is hold the microphone button on top of the controller. Now let me wrap things up by showing you guys what was included inside of the box. So the first thing obviously is the controller with the Alexa commands. The second thing is going to be the 4K Fire Stick. And the very last thing is a power adapter. These are the three things you guys are going to be using the most. And now for the last two things, these are optional. These are if you guys want to use them or not. Which is the 4K extender and the USB cable. Anyways guys, if you guys found this video useful in any way, make sure you guys drop a like and also subscribe to the channel. I have seen that 98.7% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed yet. So if you guys could go ahead and do that for me, I would really appreciate it.